One day, a man named Joe decided to fix a broken chair in his house. It was his first time doing a repair by himself. Joe was a little worried, but he wanted to try. First, Joe looked at the chair. One leg was loose. Joe thought, I need some tools. He found a screwdriver and some screws. He was ready to start. Joe tried to screw the leg back on. But it was not easy. The screw did not go in straight. Joe tried again and again. He felt frustrated but did not give up. After many tries, Joe finally got the screw in right. The leg was not loose anymore. Joe was very happy. He said, I did it. Joe sat on the chair. It was strong. It did not fall. Joe felt proud. He fixed the chair all by himself. Joe learned that fixing things takes time and patience. He was happy he did not give up. Joe felt more confident. He thought, next time, I can fix something else. Joe's first repair was a success. He fixed the chair and learned a lot. Joe was ready for more repairs in the future.
What was Joe trying to fix in his house? What problem did Joe face when he tried to repair the chair? How did Joe feel after successfully repairing the chair?